Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Many of the tools discussed in Photoshop Elements up until this point in the course are used to edit raster image data. Remember that raster image elements are pixel-based. So when you use any of your painting tools in Photoshop Elements, you are changing the pixels in the selected raster layer. The drawing tools in Photoshop Elements let you create vector-based image elements. A vector object is defined by mathematical terms. As such, they can be resized, moved, and warped without losing resolution. This is why the text you create in images is so often vector-based. It lets you resize and manipulate the text without sacrificing the text's edge clarity or definition. In this chapter, you will examine the shape tools in Photoshop Elements, which let you draw vector-based shapes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.